Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a question on calculus, and this is 2023 paper 2. Okay, so this question on calculus says the equation of the curve is y equals to x power 3 minus 27x. Find the coordinates of the turning point of the curve. So we want to find the coordinates of the turning point. Okay, now what do we know about the turning point is that at the turning point the gradient is equal to 0. At the turning point the gradient is equal to 0, and we know that to find the gradient of a curve we have to differentiate it. So it means, in other words, we are talking about dy dx being equal to 0 at the turning point. So we're going to differentiate that function. Okay, our function is y equals to x power 3 minus 27x. So to differentiate this one, we're going to say dy dx will be equal to, we multiply the power and the coefficient, so 3 times 1 is 3x, then we subtract 1 from the power, okay, minus 27x, there's already power 1 minus 1. Okay, so dy dx is going to give us 3x squared minus 27. Since 1 minus 1 is 0, and any number or letter at the power 0 is 1. Alright, and then we are saying this same thing, x to the power 2 minus 27, which is our gradient, should be equal to 0. Okay, so when we factorize, we factor out a 3, we're going to remain with x squared minus 9 equals to 0. We can divide throughout by 3, then we're going to remain with x squared minus 9 equals to 0, which can also be written as x squared minus 3 squared equals to 0. Okay, so now we can see that here we've got a difference of 2 squares, meaning we're going to say x minus 3, we close the bracket, and then x plus 3, we also close the brackets, equals to 0. Then x minus 3, okay, equals to 0. Then we have x plus 3 also equal to 0. So meaning x is equal to 3 and the other x is equal to negative 3. So we've got the x values now for the coordinates. So to find the y, we should just be able to replace in that equation, this equation. So therefore, we're going to say y equals to, where there is x, we're going to put a 3, so positive 3 to the power 3, okay, minus 27 multiplied by 3. So it's going to be y is equal to 3 to the power 3 should give us 27 minus 27 multiplied by 3 should give us 81. Okay, so 27 minus 81 should give us negative 54. Okay, so meaning we've got 3 comma negative 54 as one coordinate. Then we also replace negative 3. We're going to have y equals to negative 3 to the power 3 minus 27 multiplied by negative 3. So this is going to give us negative 3 to the power 3 is going to give us negative 27 plus 81, which is going to give us positive 54. And our other coordinate therefore is going to be negative 3 comma positive 54. So those are the two coordinates of the turning point. Now someone would ask, why do we have two coordinates of the turning point? So I'm just giving an example this is a cubic function. It can be, the shape can be like this. Okay, so such a shape has got two turning points. It can have this as a turning point, also this as a turning point. So meaning we should get those both coordinates of the turning points. Okay, so you just have to like my page, follow for more, and also click on the notification button so that you can get an update each time I post something. Thank you.